I'm in the process of opening up the Whirlpool 1973 unit. I got one of the window spacers off. Basically there's two screws that hold it on. Just extend it all the way and you can unscrew those like Phillips head. Gonna do the same thing to this side. Those ones on top are of a different size. There's one in the back. Gotta take the ones on top off. And off comes this thing. I should be able to remove the cover. Refrigerant line is getting caught. It's not good. Alright. Now we can see inside. This capillary tube right here was getting caught on the vent, so I hope it didn't bend. But yeah, I hope I didn't just wreck anything. So here's our nice big reciprocating compressor. From what I've heard, it's made by a company called Seegar. And this is pretty clean except for this stuff right here. Just get that out of there. But yeah, the bottom of this thing is real clean. And that thing down there is actually a mosquito trap. That's pretty cool. Have not seen anything like that before on any air conditioner. And here is our giant capacitor right there. And the indoor blower is metal bladed. Outdoor blower is metal. I showed the information in the video yesterday, so if you want to check that out, you can. This has a 3-row coil, evaporator coil. And yeah. I would show you the information on the compressor, but it's kind of rusty, so you can't really see it. I'm going to try and find out who made the fan motor. There it is right there. Oh, that's a General Electric fan motor. Interesting. can't really read what else it says, but yeah. Let me pause this and try and read it, and I'll tell you what it says. Okay, this is a 1500 RPM motor, so that means it's 4-pole, and it has an oil port right there. I'm guessing there's one in the back too, but it's hard to get to probably. But yeah, this has oil ports on it, so that's nice. Definitely a high quality machine. This thing weighs a ton. I'm gonna plug it in and turn it on, so you can hear the compressor better. Okay, let's hear the compressor run. It should start. It's kind of warm down here. It is possible that the capacitor is going out on this air conditioner, because when I started it, the compressor kind of hummed for a little while, and then it started. So it was like it was stalled. It's probably an issue with the capacitor. But that's the first time it's done that, so